Hey, did you know that this tree was used to treat malaria? This is Magnolia acuminata, also known as the cucumber tree, is native to eastern North America. You can spot it easily by its large leaves, greenish yellow tulip-shaped flowers, and its fruit that resemble a small cucumber. This tree has a history of medicinal use by various cultures. The bark was used as a diuretic or laxative when infused in some water, and could also be chewed to help quit smoking. On the other hand, a tea made out of the roots was used as a substitute for quinine, which is a natural compound used historically to treat malaria. This tree can also grow to 80 feet tall with a wide spreading crown, so be mindful whenever you're planting it. On a side note, be aware that the bark and the root taste quite bitter when infused into some tea, so don't be surprised if it's not too good. With that being said, would you ever like to try that plant? Let me know in the comments. Bye!